Welcome to practice, everyone, and welcome to Healesville. Hopefully, we won't get any interruptions, but we'll roll with it either way. Let's just start bringing our feet closer together. I'd like to raise the toes up, place them back down, and just feel into the support of the ground beneath us. You can bring your energy down to the feet. You might like to rock forward to the toes, rock back to the heels. Maybe roll onto the outside arch of the foot. Just allow the lower body to be heavy. You might bend the knees just a little. Back of the knees soft. And we allow our upper body to sway and move. This way we hold this balance of stability, but also adaptability. So we can have one and the other. We don't become too stuck in our patterns or our habits. We allow in change. We become open to whatever is going to move us, whichever direction it does. So we don't push against change. But we also hold firm and stable so we don't become too uprooted, too affected by things around us changing. I'd like to bring the attention to the breath, breathing in through the nose, breathing out, sigh it out, or just breathe out through the nose as well. As we breathe in, we feel our belly. We breathe out, we let go, sigh it out. Take our feet out, shoulder width apart. Turn the palms up. Inhale to lift up, reach up. Turn the palms and allow the shoulders to be heavy. Arms come down. We move with the breath, inhaling to breathe in. Turn the palms, sigh it out. Inhale one more time, lift up. Turn the palms and let it go. Let's bring one hand to our heart center, one hand to our lower belly. You might bring attention to the lower hand, feel the belly expand. Chinese medicine believes that our intelligence is in our heart. And our belly is our intention, our initiative, the way forward. So this week, when your mind tells you you need to make all kinds of resolutions and your mind becomes busy thinking of solutions, you can just bring the energy back to the belly. This is truly where we hold our stored energy, our life force, our intention. What will we do next? How can we create space so those opportunities become open to us? Let's open out through our shoulders. We'll take both hands in opposite elbow, take the hands above the head, inhale together. And then exhale, we'll drop our shoulders down, point our fingers up. We'll inhale to drop the elbows into a big W. And then we'll exhale to draw the elbows in. Inhale to press the hands out. Exhale to draw the hands together. Let's try that again. Inhale, lifting arms over. Exhale, drop the shoulders, press down through the heels. Inhale, elbows drop, shoulders turn back. Exhale, elbows come in. Inhale, push the hands out. Exhale, draw the hands together. One more time. Staying in the breath. Now let's move into our neck. We'll inhale together. Exhale, hands come to one shoulder, head turns to the other. Inhale back to the center. Exhale to twist. Inhale to the center. Exhale to turn. Do a couple more in your own breath. Let's meet back in the center. Bring our fingers to our chest, just tapping across the sternum. Use knuckles or the end of the fingers, whatever works for you. Let's open out through our left arm. Tap on the shoulder. Spend a little time on the elbow crease. Come down to the wrist crease. Turn the palm over. We'll tap up the back of the arm, back of the shoulder, back of the neck. Draw the arms back to the front of the chest, and then we'll open through the right. Turn the palm over. Trace down the front of the chest, around to the lumbar spine, maybe knock or rub around the kidneys, down the outside of the legs, bending the knees, all the way down. You might like to rub around the ankles, up the inside of the legs. And when we come straight up, let's just take the arms out to the side. We aim to keep our hips forward, so we're twisting through our waist. Shoulders are heavy, arms are heavy. Just allow the forearms to tap against the kidneys, adrenals. Allow our whole body to be heavy. Take the arms a little higher, and we're going to connect with our lung point. just under the collarbone, inside the shoulder. I'm going to bring just a bit more of a twist into it and slow everything down. Let's roll the shoulders, roll the shoulders. All right, being a Monday, even though it's not a work week, we're going to do our usual Shibashi 18 forms qigong. So let's just bring feet back under the shoulders. Knees are slightly bent. Just allow your shoulders to drop away from the ears. Cultivate this feeling of soft front, soft and openness at the front, strong back. It can feel a little strange, this stance, when you first come into it. Arms are slightly apart from the body. Just connect back with your feet. Make sure you've got that feeling of stability through each side of the foot. Take a breath. First form, let's inhale to raise the arms up. Exhale, take them down. Elbows lead the movement. Inhale to lift up. Exhale, let it go. Just move in your own breath. You might feel like this breath is just an extension of ourselves. Teaching our body to move with flow, with ease. Second form, we take a longer inhale, lifting up and then out. And we exhale to sigh out. Inhale to lift. This is a letting go form. You might feel like you're sighing out anything you don't need on this day, this week. Inhaling to draw new energy into the body with open heart. Exhaling to sigh out whatever we don't need. Third form, we take both hands up the center line of the body. Inhale to lift up and reach up. Exhale, open up through the left. Inhale back to the center. Reach tall. Exhale, open right. Inhale to lift up. And let it go. Find your own rhythm, moving from side to side. Meeting back in the center. Arms come down the center. Turn the palms up. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, side. I'd like to bring a small pause at the top of the breath. This way we maybe create a little bit of space between our thoughts. Often in life we have thoughts cascading through our mind, one after the other. And teach ourselves just to create space within our body, within our breath. In this way, we just invite well-being into the body. Let's draw our elbows into the side of the body, palms face up. Inhale to draw left arm back. Turn and press forward, side out. Inhale back into the body. Exhale, turn the palm, side out. Keeping our eyes on the fingers. One, of course, is repulse the monkey, feeling that monkey mind. We often think of in control, but really the mind is just a mischievous meddler in our life, stopping us enjoying the moment, thinking we always need more than we have, pushing us to this point of restlessness, distraction. You might feel like you're pushing out this sense of restlessness, pushing out the idea we have to solve every problem, control everything around us. Now we bend the knees and roll the boat. Sigh it out. Inhale to lift up. Exhale. We rise up. We take the right arm across the body, lifting the sun. Sigh it out. Switch sides. You might shift your weight from side to side. We inhale to bring both hands in front of the body. Exhale, we turn to the right. Inhale back to the center. Exhale, we twist at the waist. Eyes forward. Inhale back. might get a sense of the energy held between the palms. This feeling of our breath expanding beyond our body. Muscles are switched on. Shoulders are heavy. Palms into the center line of the body. Exhale. Inhale back. Exhale. Again, twist at the waist of the body. Feel like you're pushing a heavy weight. Shifting weight from side to side. Swing our right hand in front of our heart, left hand down. We just slowly rotate. We reach the side, we switch with the cloudy hands by the lake. I stay focused on the top. Meeting back in the center, we'll step forward with our left foot today. Scoop down, bend that front knee. Inhale, lift up. Open the heart, side out. Inhale. The water element forms. Feel like you're drawing in water energy into the kidneys. It's how we learn to flow, to move a little easier. Now we draw the energy into the body. Side out. Let it go. We're pushing the waves. Inhale, draw it into the body. Exhale, let it go. Open both arms wide. Inhale, reach out. Exhale, let it go. And let's step that foot back in. Draw the elbows into the side of the body. Loose fist. Inhale together. Exhale to push out. Inhale, roll the hands, draw it back in. Exhale, slide. Knees are slightly bent. Feel that sense of energy coming into the body. Exhale, pushing. Shoulders are away from the ears. Elbows tucked under. Now we open the arms wide. Woo! Sorry. It's soar like a wild goose. Inhale and you lift up. Exhale. Maybe the heels leave the earth just a little. Feeling of lightness as we reach up. Take both arms down. On the windmill turning in the breeze. Follow the fingers with the eyes. Inhale to lift up. Might feel like you're rotating and twisting through the spine from side to side. And let's change direction. Meet back in the center to bounce the ball. Shifting weight from side to side. Final form, we scoop down, lifting up earth energy. Press the heels. Bring the hands up to the heart and then side out. Feel like we're storing new energy in the mid part of our body. Inhale again. One more time. Bring both hands to our dantian. One palm over the other. Take a moment inside, feeling into this sense of how our body feels right now. This intangible thing of our aliveness, our energy flowing through the body. Every day our body is different. Every day feels different. So we use this practice just to gain awareness, maybe small intentions of just returning to the mat and connecting with nature, connecting with the flow of breath through our body. Our lungs bring in new oxygen, send it throughout our body, flowing to each organ, every part. Maybe we find some new flow, sense of stuckness or soreness leaving the body, abiding in ease and health and well-being. Maybe letting go of whatever we don't. Bring our hands together, just create a little bit of heat. I like to bring the hands up towards the face. And we bring our hands to heart center, just thanking each other for shared energy of practicing together.